end about your brow. There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will
I'm gonna try to drink this, y'all. I'm gonna try my absolute best, but this is nasty. It tastes, the probiotic tastes way better with orange juice. Hey,
Monday.
happy Monday.
Hello, world.
Hello, world. Why they do that? Why they do me like that? Why they do me like that? Why they do that? Hello, world. Good morning. Just dropped baby girl off at school. My skin, y'all. I am very much so sunburned. Rain was like, "Mommy, your face." She just said it like when we got out of the car. "Mommy, your face." I'm like, "Girl, I was just in the sun baking." I'll be honest with y'all. I just kind of want to go home and get back in the bed. But I've got my gym attire on. It may not look like it, but I have on my sweatband is on. My sweatband is on. My tennis shoes are next to me. I'm gonna make sure I put my leg weights on before I start walking. That's important. Make sure you have your leg weights. These are only 3 pounds. I use them all the time when I'm on the treadmill and stuff in the gym. And I keep this in the car. So she's coming with me. Why they do that? Why they do me like that? Why they do me like that? Why they do that? That scared me. Anyway.
VIP.
I just been chilling, unpacking. Yeah, I just finished going through like cause I bought back some things for a few people, family. Bought myself back a shot glass. On the back it says Cabo San Lucia, Mexico. I got a little purse for Rain, little change purse for her. I like refrigerator magnets, so I got this one for myself. Girl, you came back with only things for yourself. Girl, this is for the family in real life. You know, because Rain gonna always be I know she's gonna be pointing this out. Ooh, shark. Oh, whale. Ooh, dolphin. I know she's gonna be looking at them, but that's the arches that we took pictures in front of those. I got this one because the other one says Cabo San Lucia. Oh, they all say Cabo San. No, this one just says Los Cabos. And I wanted a refrigerator magnet with a thing. And I feel like I showed y'all this in the Cabo vlog, but I bought Babe and a little ashtray. All right, y'all. I'm about to do some work. My iPad here. I think my second go around dyeing my hair, it went so much better. My hair dry though. My hair dry. That pool, that ocean dried her out. I will touch up my hair again. It depends on what my hair looks like. It depends. If my hair is dry on my birthday, getting closer to my birthday, I won't re-dye my hair. I ran out of orange juice. Desani? Oh no! What the hell, bro? I'm watching YouTube. I told y'all I live on YouTube, right? Like, y'all be telling me, watch this, watch that, watch this. I'll be like, YouTube, and I watch YouTube on the big screen. I watch my girls on the big screen. I don't watch them on no iPad. I'm busy editing my on the iPad. I'm gonna try to drink this, y'all. I'm gonna try my absolute best, but this is nasty. The probiotic tastes way better with orange juice. Okay, loves. Bye. One bag of items. Somebody wanted this. 80 lean, 20 fat. I went to Food Lion, if y'all didn't know. I just bought one. I have a family of 1.5. It's me, my man, and a little human. And just some beef sausage. Some beef smoked sausage. There better not be no pork in this. Hold on. No, there's no pork in there.
Baby, let me tell ya, I can do if you give me a chance. You got something special. I can tell just by the way you dance. The way you move. Girl, you're looking like you practice in the mirror. If you know the things that I could do for your career. Girl, you are. You're one in a million days. Wanna help you make it. Superstar. I don't wanna manage you, but I wanna make you famous. Wanna make you famous. Getting down to business. We can flip the script and change the play. Here's your first audition. Hope you savor your first taste of fame. Girl, you're so smooth. You're so smooth, girl. You're so smooth. Oh, you see it when you're looking in the mirror. If you know the things that I could do for your career. Girl, you are. You're one in a million days. Wanna help you make it. Superstar. I don't wanna manage you, but
I'm about to sit down, do some work, watch some vlogs on YouTube. Mumu's food is done. Y'all see it? Mumu's food is finished. Don't ask why it's in a separate bowl and a plate. I just made a quick salad. Corn. What's that? The arugula mix. I put some romaine at the bottom. The arugula mix that has the spinach and stuff. Some beets, some carrots, some corn. That's all the vegetables that I really had. The other vegetables are... I should have kept those little tomatoes, huh? I should have kept those tomatoes for my salad. Anyway, I'm about to go eat. I'm going to eat spaghetti when Babe gets home. I'm going to just eat my salad for now. I'm going to fill up on... You see it's a big old salad. It's basil vinaigrette. In my past life, I was a rabbit. Food. I just came to sit in the car so I can allow the gas to just be ghetto by itself. Cause girl. So when you decide to get a luxury car, make sure you keep things like that in mind. Be ready for it.
Cause girl, I'm not ready.
Hello world. I was not going to pick up the camera today because I was in my feelings this morning, and sorry y'all. First of all, this outfit last year, this thing was tight on me. Like cheeks was out, everything. Now look, it's so loose. Wow. This thing is fitting so loose. Most of my stuff is 1X, so this is probably 1X. I don't know. Maybe they. I don't know. Rain. Okay, I'm gonna make you something. Okay, I'll make you something.
She asking the juice. I feel like pop when I do. Yeah. You won't love me. You won't love me. You won't love me. You won't love me. Hey, look. Streets don't love you like they say they really want your juice. Mama tried to tell me, but she raised another fool. You said we was game, but then you switched. I cut you loose. I cut you loose. Yeah. Streets don't love you like they say they really want your juice. Mama tried to tell me, but she raised another fool. You said we was game, but then you switched. I cut you loose. I cut you loose. Loose. I need a rich bitch, yellow, black, Beatrix, Kill Bill, city shit, Louis bad, who it is, that boy hit another lick, dreaming about a vision when we came up off another OPP, like that's my brother, if he hit a stay with me, I don't call like don't you.
I'm just push back there, put the top on, and it's already getting warm. Let it do its thing. I'm gonna add the onions and the celery, and I'm gonna set an alarm for I would say an hour from now, or maybe 2. Maybe 2 hours from now. I'm gonna set an alarm for 2 hours from now because it's 1:55. It's 1:55. Let it cook for 2 hours. It's on high. I set my alarm for an hour 30, and I'm gonna come check up on her. All right, y'all. I finished baby girl's hair. I just did a puff at the top. Turn your head to the sides. Okay, put little bows and I just wanted to show y'all the food real quick. I made her a turkey burger. I made her a turkey burger, blueberries, and some pretzels. She trying to act like she don't like the turkey burger. I don't care. Eat it. Just need to stir it up a little bit, and I need to add the veggies. That's all it is, y'all. Chicken. It's just chicken. That's all it is. It still need to cook. Like, for sure it needs to cook. I'm going to go do another round of seasoning. I left my seasonings right there. I'm about to do another round of seasonings. And then add the onions. Add the onions and the celery. Just onions, celery. I just threw it in there with the chicken. I'm about to put the top back on and continue to allow it to just do its thing. I touched this part right here. Oh, it hurt. Ugh. I hate burns. Go ahead and run. I'm gonna record you running. This is nice. It's real nice. Yes. Mommy. Where the hibiscus at? What's those ones? What's this one called? This one is okra. Okra. Is this one okra too? We love us some okra. This one is it says spaghetti squash. Can y'all see it? Spaghetti squash. Ooh.
Okay, Mom, let's keep going.
Okay, hold on. I want to get this. Put it right here. These are hot peppers. So maybe this whole line, this whole row is probably hot peppers. Ooh. Felt like something was stuck on my leg. Ooh, I should have bought some bug repellent, but they have bug repellent over there. These are nice. I wonder what those are called. He didn't put any signs on these. Yeah, that one is really pretty. Careful, don't break it, boo.
When I'm lonely, baby, it's like my friends don't know me. Girl, it used to be my home. Help me with a dream, she saw me. Even the dreams get lonely. Left me here, 3 in the morning, questioning all the things you told me. That lost me in the morning. Baby, if you need it, show it. And if you ever needed or wanted, I got you, you know this. And if you ever home on me, need a little company, I'll sleep right over. Baby, I'll be right over. Invite me right over. I said I know we ain't on the same page no more. And that's a shame that we ain't we used to be so close. Yes, I'm down and I'm drowning in my sorrows, babe. Hey, yeah, you don't miss me, babe. Come on, why you trying to miss me, babe? Always been somebody else since me, babe. Think I might do the same, don't tempt me, baby. Get the party and get friendly. Honestly, no, I don't got it in me. It's no fun when you're not here with me. It's no fun when you're not here with me, yeah. Yet you tell me there's no way. Yes, you tell me there's no way. It's like how you feel, girl. I see you around here with them. Touch me Guess it's over now. If you think I don't know right now, can we slow it down and sort it out? You got lost me in the morning, baby. If you need it, show it. And if you ever need it or want it, I got you, you know this. And if you ever home alone, me, yeah, you company, I'll sleep right over. Maybe I'll be right, yeah.
Love begins with
With
me. Love begins with me. Love begins with. I crushed my whole plate of food, y'all. Sorry. We made mixed vegetables too. Those frozen ones that I had gotten from them Junks. I got those from Sam's. See y'all in the morning.
Mom, I did it!
Good job, boo.
You missed one. Alright. Do this one. You should. Alright. I'm not gonna erase it. I'm gonna do it over. 1, 2. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. You gotta do it like how BJ did it. 1, 2.
My turn.
Yes, sir. Make that man. You do that to me too. Ready? 1. Good job. 2. Yes, but you gotta go on the lines. Don't make it nasty. Make it on the lines.
You picked out a really cute outfit today. I didn't even have to pick it out for you. That's crazy. Like, she just went in her drawer and picked out her own outfit. A 4-year-old. Go, girl. And she put the little flower, the little butterfly. She put the butterflies in her hair. Y'all need to go on Kohl's. Kohl's is nice. Which one? Yes, her bloomers are nice. You looking at slow Dejanir?
Guys, wait for me.
I mean, nobody is chasing you. Her dress is pretty too. That's cute. I've been seeing these. I need one. I don't like that color though. Rain. You're funny and she's funny. It's about to be raining right on our. It's about to be raining right on top of our heads. Okay, so we need to go down a little bit and then go across. That's a nice color. We need to go down and across.
I saw a crazy green.
That's pretty.
I don't know what it was, Tucson, and I was like, "Yo, you would love this green color." It was one of a kind.
Mom, we have some money in here. Hello, world. I want to play it. I called
I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I want that it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play it that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. Oh, you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
We just did braids in the back, and then cover up me. I have like a twist on the side, a braid on the side, and 3 braids into the puff. I feel like this is a good hairstyle for mommies who don't know how to cornrow or flat twist or do any of those styles. All right, I think that's pretty nice. How you like your hair, Reem?
good.
All right. You're annoying.
Where's the little straw that you put in the
Why
top?
would I do that? It's mine. I ain't passing it around to some other mouths. It's in my mouth.
I don't even do this, guys. You see?
Just shrimp. We got some carry out, rice, broccoli, shrimp. But I didn't get the brown sauce. I got the garlic sauce. I'm about to eat, and we are going to sleep. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. Tell your mamas and your aunties about me.
How y'all liking the vlog so far?
Yeah. By the time y'all seeing this, y'all would have seen the Cabo vlog and all the other vlogs. So, yeah. I'm still learning how to use Final Cut Pro for the iPad. I'm still learning. Bear with me. ChatGPT been trying to teach me, trying to school me. So I've been taking a class with Chat. Anyway. Good night, y'all.
Pretty smart.
Good night, y'all. I gotta, we all gotta use Chat. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Pretty smart.
Ooh, ain't nothing wrong with that. Happy Monday.
Monday.
Happy Monday.
Hello, world.
Hello, world. We're taking somebody to school today. Yay. Maraschino ones, they're the,
I like the maraschino.
We just picked up baby girl from school. We just got to the Costco. Well, we picked up baby girl from school. We had to have a meeting with her teacher. You know what? Getting locked inside of your own car is crazy work. It's too late. It's too late. Too late to apologize.
You got the card?
No, I don't. It's too late. It's too late to apologize. You guys left me. It's called the Vortex lamp. That joint is pretty. I want that. I want that. Okay. Oh. Bruh. Bruh. Rain, we need a bigger house. We need a bigger. It wasn't me. I didn't do it. So you said it's like an air fryer, right?
It's a portable air fryer.
150.
No. Remember? In Target, it was $175. And then the Target was
Don't say the T word. Wow. That's nice. We need one of these.
Yeah.
Ooh, double trouble. I could put my salmon in one area and then put the other stuff in the other area. Oh, like that. Like in the picture.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers again. It's good. I like it. Let me see it, Rain.
Yum. Yummy.
All we did was come in here to get water, and they trying everything in sight.
Small spoon.
What?
I like the small spoon.
Yes, a mini spoon, just for you, because you're a mini. And we are going to go inside and pick up our week benefits.
I want to go to the store.
Just to let y'all know, I used to work for WIC. 8 years. 8 years, okay? I used to work for them. So, I should have been did a video like this. 1 container of yogurt, 6 soy milks. Like, who will get one? But yeah, we're at Wegmans.
Let's find some grapes.
No, we have grapes in the house.
Yeah.
I don't know how fresh they are. We have to check them out when we get home. Peach salsa. Ooh, pineapple mango sauce. No, we're gonna get these ones. I know you want to try them to eat them, honey. I mean, everything that we scan when it comes to bread. Did you try Nature's Own?
That's what I was about to say. Which one?
I feel like I tried Nature's Own before and it didn't work.
Old one, it'll tell you.
Okay, let's go back. Let's go to benefit. Whole wheat.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, Nature's Own. 100% whole wheat bread.
What else is this?
Life.
This is a different
Okay,
brand.
life sugar free. It's a lot of different brands. There's pepper.
But is it only whole wheat? All of them?
Yeah, everything is nothing will be nothing.
Oh, you can get hot dog rolls?
Spotty.
I didn't know you can get hot dog rolls. Alright, this
We used to complain about when it comes to the bread option. They'd be like, the bread option don't work. I'd be like, well, that's why you need to get some tortillas or get some brown rice because, honey, I've tried the bread and it doesn't work.
Stop the balloon. I just want to race
No,
that.
I don't have the money to buy that one. Can I see the app? Okay, thanks, babe. I just wanted to show that one was good.
At home.
Good job, Rain. Huh?
You know, we still have one open block of cheese at home.
Oh.
And that's you.
Okay, I mean, maybe because it's 13 ounces. I don't know.
Let's go. Get in the car. Come, let's go in the car.
Rain, you about to go sit in the car right now.
Let's scan it to make sure it's good. I could probably I'm gonna get one apple juice.
DJ, I want DJ, look. Mom.
Eggs you can get. Let's see. I think eggs. It says 1 dozen carton, white or brown. Can you get the brown one like I got last time?
Scan it, screen.
Happy birthday.
Stop.
Now we're gonna put.
Happy birthday. Oh, turn that.
You're about to be in the car.
I want to get in the car.
What's
It's my favorite one, y'all. The vanilla. Yes, it's always approved. I don't even need to scan it, but I'm gonna scan it anyway, just to. So. I want to try this again. I have to try it again because I have sugar. I have sugar at home, and I have. What's
36?
wrong?
36. So
Yeah.
it's 28. That's gonna leave you with 12.
Okay,
No,
it's a lot of 12
12
ounces.
Less than 12.
Huh?
Yeah.
28.
36. Yeah, that's
Can you scan it to make sure? Because who knows if that's going to even be approved?
Okay.
Because it may
should
say
be, though.
it may say only the instant.
That would be sick.
Is rich ice cream? Oh, perfect. All right, everything fits for. Thanks, big dog. Mustard. They acting bad, but somebody gotta do it. I didn't bring my WIC card. That's just saying, oh, the remaining balance that we have 8 ounces of cereal, 5 soy milks left, $1 for fruits and vegetables left, and 1 package of the whole wheat bread, whole grains. So what did I pay for? I usually put it in my smoothies.
Yeah, like when you're done doing
I got that evening.
How's your food? Dang, yo.
I feel my
Broccoli gone. Oranges.
guys.
Oranges
guys,
gone.
guys, watch me.
It's funny how the spoon is just all dry. You're not even using it, big dog.
No, what? What?
Food good?
Yeah.
I had to live, I had to live, I had to leave, I had to live. Love set you free to fly your big dreams around.